Hi, let me ask you a question. Would you like to learn how to become more assertive and how to deal with conflicts? My name is Alain Rouf and I have already helped more than 100,000 people in 16 countries to communicate better with people, to become more assertive and to deal with conflicts. And in this course, I've packed the best tools and techniques to help you. In this course, you will learn how you can become more assertive and how you can become more confident in your personal and professional life. You will learn how you can speak up, share your ideas and opinion at work, at home, in any situation. You will learn how you can express what you want. You can express your rights, your needs, everything that you would like to share with people. I will show you the best communication techniques and the best communication tools to make that happen. I will also show you how you can provide helpful feedback to others. Maybe you are a team leader and you would like to give feedback to people. What is the best way so that people can really understand what you said? I would like to also show you how you can receive negative feedback. Maybe someone gives you feedback and it's negative. How can you really deal with that and communicate with that person? And I will also show you how you can say no to people. Maybe you are struggling to say no right now. You're always saying yes, you are always saying yes to more work, to do things that you don't really want. And I want to show you the best techniques so that you can say no and still be liked and respected by other people. I will also show you how you can deal with conflicts. Maybe at work or in your personal life you have some conflicts. I would like to show you the best tools, the best techniques and the best steps to deal with conflicts. And I will also show you how you can prevent the conflicts from happening. And I will also show you how you can reduce negative emotions. Because maybe right now, when you confront people or when you have a conflict with someone or you want to say no, you don't feel really great. And I'd like to show you how you can really be comfortable with that, be at ease and feel good emotions almost all the time when you are interacting with people. So now it's your turn to make a decision. You can enroll in this course. There is a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you have nothing to lose. The only thing that you can gain is communication skills and you can become more assertive. So literally you have nothing to lose. So go ahead, enroll in this course and let's start your transformation.